Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share a secret with you that I've had in my back pocket for about a year and a half. I'm going to make a resin-based wine glass. I've never seen anyone else do this. I'm sure there are people out there that have. I've just never seen it. With the Halloween coming, I wanted to do something fun with a set of wine glasses in that theme. In addition to being a resin artist, I also do etched glass. So I etched the words, "I'm here for the booze" on the glass, BOOS, with a cute little ghost on it. And once that's all done, then I get my crown-made mold that I've referenced in another video and cover the bottom with resin. And then I set the wine glass in it and pick the mold up with the glass in it and push in the very center all the way around to get that big air bubble out from under the base so that the whole bottom of the glass is completely covered in resin. For this particular one, I decided to use black crushed glass. This crushed glass is the vase filler that you can buy at the craft stores. So it's tempered glass. It doesn't have sharp edges or shards. And I'm filling the initial pour with the crushed glass that I'm going to push out to the edge and fill every part of the edge so that you have a nice thick covering of the black crushed glass. Then I'm going to transfer the rest of the resin in my big two cup into a 3-ounce paper cup. I do this because if I poured the rest of that resin from the big cup, the resin that's on the rim is going to get on the bowl and the stem of the wine glass. And once everything's cured, I'm going to have to go back with my X-Acto knife and scrape all that off. There are a lot of silicone cups you can use now for this same purpose, but all my silicone cups at the time of this pour were drying from other resin pours. I do like to be environmentally conscious and not throw away paper cup after paper cup and wooden spoon after wooden spoon. So I use silicone products as much as possible. But I wanted to transfer to a smaller vessel so that I had more control about what was going into the mold. And then I'm going to finish filling it up with the black crushed glass all the way to the stem as much as possible without having a lot of the glass sticking up above the top layer of resin. And that's why you see me using the toothpick to tap it all down so much. 24 hours later, I'm going to take it out of the mold and voila, we have this beautiful built-in coaster to the wine glass. And the really fun thing, besides they're so unique and they're so pretty, is you will fall down from drinking the wine out of that glass before that glass will ever fall down from getting tipped over by anybody. It's a fun thing to make. This is my burring tool, and I wanted you to see what it looks like and show you how to use it. Every project you make in a mold is going to have a lip or a rim on it that will need to be trimmed off, and this burring tool is a great way to do that. You can also use a sanding sponge or you can dome it, but the burring tool is a really nice way to take care of that problem. And I just wanted you to see what it looks like and how you use it. All right, hope you enjoyed it and go make some resin-based wine glasses.